Right, this is question 3C, part 2. And it says, how far will she have travelled past P, or from P, when she reaches a speed of 8 meters per second? So first of all, let's start off with velocity. We know velocity, it was equal to, here it is, 0.6t plus 5. There it is. So when she reaches 8, so let's find the time when she reaches 8, and then we can use that to put into some sort of a distance formula. So velocity is 8, 0.6t plus 5. Let's subtract the 5 from both sides. So I've got 0.6t is equal to 3. If I divide both sides by 0.6 divided by 0.6, I'm left with t, and t will equal 3 divided by 0.6. 3 divided by 0.6 is 5. So the time is going to be at 5 seconds. So she will have travelled, she reaches a speed of 8 meters per second after she's been travelling 5 seconds. But of course, we want to know how far she's travelled. Well, of course, when she starts off, she's travelled nothing. Yeah, this is past P. How far past P? Well, at P, she's travelled S is 0. Distance is 0. So let's find the distance equation. So we know that the distance is equal to the antidifferential of velocity with respect to time, which is equal to, and I'll write out the velocity as 0.6t plus 5. So we're going to increase the power of this by 1, making it 2, divide by the new power. Increase the power of this, by the power of this, divide by the new power, and add c on the end. Well, c, in fact, we know is 0. It's the initial distance. There was no initial distance, or rather, the initial distance was 0. So we've got 0.6 divided by 2, which is 0.3 squared, plus 5t, and zeros on the end. So that's our formula for distance. Now, let's put into that the time, and we know the time is 5 seconds. So let t equal 5. S is equal to 0.3, 5 squared plus 5 times 5. 5 squared is 25, so it's 0.3 times 25 plus 5 5s are 25. So let's have a look at this. We've got 0.3 times 25 plus 25. And we get 32.5. 32.5, and of course the distance is going to be in meters. And that's how far she's travelled from P when she reaches 8 meters per second. And you might want to write some sort of context statement to that effect. But that's how I would calculate that.